hire builders, like people who love to build things. And so I think especially as a software engineer, there's a lot of jobs out there where you're given a big book of requirements and you read through a big Word document. And at Quantum, like, we're part of the ideation in software engineering, but we do creative things, like we might take a team, to a hotel and work for a couple days straight on a big idea, and that's fun for people who love to build things.
There's really smart people on the product development team, and I can honestly say no one has ever made me feel dumb for asking a question. When I started here, I had no experience with the specific tool set that we use here. It doesn't matter if you haven't done this specific thing or this specific language. It's just we want people who are willing to learn and are able to learn.
I think successful product roles at Quantum Workplace it's not necessarily just checking all the boxes to like finish a task or build out a feature. It's thinking like an investor. It's like you are empowered to make investments in our product, and that's ultimately what you're doing. At the end of the day, it's about creating the best experience for our customer, and you might stumble upon things that allow you to do that more efficiently, or just maybe you need to make a deeper investment.
I think Quantum Workplace is really flexible, and they actually really care about their employees. From my first day here, they've been really flexible with working hybrid, so being in the office, working from home, and the managers trust their employees.
Just finding new ways to like innovate in our space. There are endless ways we can